Little bird, perched upon your tree. Little bird, come sit with me. Little bird, singing morning songs. Next to you I belong. Little bird, stretching out your wings to the day your beauty brings. Little bird, flying through the air, you can go anywhere. But it gets cold and your threshold to be carefree is withdrawn. And in the night, when there's no light, you have to make it through the dawn. Little bird, you made it through. I really hope to be like you. Little bird, arrest my stench. Come down to me from your branch. Little bird, you're our delight. With your plumes you look so bright. Little bird, I watch you glide. You take it all in your strides. But it gets rough, I know it's tough, when the wind becomes a storm. And then with haste, no time to waste, you must find shelter and keep warm. Little bird, you made it to next day, but I know you'll fly away. So little bird, when you do, let me fly away with you. Little bird, wherever you go, can I be your shadow? Little bird, take my hand, take me to your happy land.